Somebody likes the Echo Show. Let me guess. If I had to guess, it's gonna be Princess up there. Because she was watching it the other day. Princess, is that you? Where's that beaver? I see a polka dot in the back of that. Let me get closer. Do I know you? What bird are you? You a new bird? You got gray hair? I don't have a bird with gray hair. What is that? Oh. Is you a beaver? Actually, that must have been Beaver. Because Princess is up here. Hi, Princess! Hi! Beautiful stretch. So where you say hi? Oh, yes, definitely the princess. The itty bitty head. Hi, Pippa! You got a neighbor. Beaver just jumped on my head and made him get off. Princess! Pippa! Lemon drop!